Hi everyone, in this video we learn how install free SSL in cPanel. You just log in your cPanel. After login successfully in your panel, go to the security and click on SSL/TLS status option. In the next page, you will see your all domains and subdomains. Select the domain where you want to install and click on Run Auto SSL. It will take few minutes to install SSL. When it done, you will get successful message on the top right side on the screen. After 5 seconds, cPanel refresh automatically and you will see SSL has been installed on your domain. If when check SSL has been installed or not, just open a new tab on browser and search domain and check SSL has been installed or not. Thank you.